Good morning, Ankeny Hawks. My name is Mrs. Clark, and I am the sponsor of the National Honor Society at our school. We are so excited that we're able to do the Toys for Tots dodgeball game. So go ahead and keep bringing in toys, putting them in your bins. The class that brings in the most amount of toys will be able to have an unfair advantage during the game. And that unfair advantage is that normally when you play dodgeball, you have your team versus this team, and everything's cut right down the middle. Well, the team that brings the most toys is going to be able to move that line so they have a bigger space. So the team that brought the least amount of toys will have less space. And we're going to put some balls on the side so they don't have to run all the way to that line. So there is going to be a huge advantage for you. This is ran like a tournament. It's going to be class versus class. So it starts with sophomores versus juniors. Then the winner of that game, they play the seniors. The winner of that game, they get to play the teachers. Then the winner of that is the winner of the entire tournament. It is a fun time. I promise you, this is one of the best events we do all year. It is so much fun. We still have room and sign up, so go ahead and sign up. It'll let you know if it lets you in, you're in. If you have signed up, it'll let you know if I have already maxed out on the number of people. So it is going to be a lot of students. It is during seminar next Wednesday, December 15th. We do have some rules. I'm going to go ahead and give some of them to you today, and then I'm going to have some pros give it to you. So to start with, there will be no headshots. So if you hit anyone in the head, you're automatically out. There will also be nobody coming back in. So once you're out, you're out. You can deflect a ball. So if you're holding a ball and a ball comes at you and you hit the ball with the ball, there's the one time that you won't be out and the other person won't be out. It'll just be deflected. But here are some of the rest of the rules on a video that I thought was super fun that would tell us. It's really old, so it's in black and white.
The object of the game is to eliminate the opposing players. Once all the players on one team are eliminated, the opposing team wins.
Wow! I can't wait to get the Thanksgiving and play.
Whoa. Hang on a second there, sport.
Patches O'Houlihan!
That's right, Timmy. Patches O'Houlihan, 7-time ACAA All-Star, is here to take you the rest of the way.
Secret. Really?
You betcha, champ. If you catch a ball that's thrown at you before it hits the ground, then the player who threw that ball is out. Not you. Just remember the 5 D's of dodgeball. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
We will go over the rules again next week, so don't forget, bring toys, put them in the bin. You can bring them up until December 15th, and we are having this game during seminar. I'll see you all next week. Good luck!